Yo, 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 what's in? Get started. Connection is excellent. Hello, guys. Hopefully, man, I should play some music, man. It's been a while since I played some music. Been a while since I played some music. Been a while since I played some music. You gotta play that copyright free music, man. You know, get some people in here if they want to join. Music, PC, copyright free. Music. Let's find some rap. Let's see. There's a fire beat.
Retro.
Email me for the beat. Welcome to the chat. Let's get it. Hey, it's a hard beat. Hey. Retro Beats, check him out. Oh, I didn't have my light on. What do you mean light, man? I gotta fix that. Yo, what's up? Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, and soon Instagram Live. How y'all doing? You know what I'm saying? Gotta rub your hands. You know what I'm saying? With love. We gotta just thank the Lord for what we're put here for. Does that make sense? We gotta thank the Lord for what we've been put here to do. And we're here to fulfill our dreams and whatever our hearts desire. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, oh well. So today's stream is called Down. And why do I call it Down? Because guess what? NVIDIA had a terrible, he didn't have a terrible day, but he had a historical day. Historical dump.
Boom into $1 trillion industry in less than 10 years. And stocks in that sector is expected to boom into $1 trillion industry in less than 10 years. And stocks in that sector are already taking off. If you had invested $1,000 in NVIDIA 5 years ago, it would have been roughly worth $20,000 today.
God
I'm
dang.
Layla Maiden, and I cover.
God dang. Should I react to this? NVIDIA plunges 18% and tech stocks slide as China's DeepSeek spooks investors. Okay. What up, Xavier? So. I'm calling this stream down because I saw that we had a historical day for NVIDIA, and me personally, I invested in NVIDIA. Made some good. It was a great investment. I still think a good investment. This is not financial advice. This is educational and entertainment purposes only. So don't do what I do. So I invested in NVIDIA last year and definitely have my returns. But today we saw NVIDIA slide 18%, which is big news. And what does this mean for the future of AI? You know what I'm saying? AI and the stock market, this spooks investors. You know, I feel like, me personally, I feel like this is a little overreaction to the news, and I definitely um believe that Nvidia is gonna rebound from this. So stock market just overreacted to the news. But let's listen to Layla um, Maindan. She's a investing correspondent. So let's give her a little give her time to speak, and she's more of an insider. Maybe she'll give us some game. If not, we're gonna definitely go into Nvidia's balance and balance sheets and financials.
All things finance. So let's talk about how you can invest in AI. AI is disruptive technology. This means it's an innovation that comes to market and changes everything, the way we live, work, and do business. Some past examples include electricity, the internet, and smartphones. These shifts don't happen often, but when they do, they create incredible investment opportunities. And those who understand that can make smart bets and reap exponential benefits. In the past, it was mainly Wall Street that benefited from this, but with the creation of investment apps, it allows you to buy stock right from your phone. So now anyone can jump in. So what stocks should you be investing in for AI? Well, we can ask ChatGPT. But I've also done the research. The development of AI itself has different types of technologies that actually go into it. This creates a lot of subsectors of AI that we can invest in. One of which is quantum computing, which solves complex problems faster than a regular computer. Names under this sector include Wipro, MediaTek, Nokia, and Mitsubishi. Another sector is machine learning. This is the part where we train AI to have human intelligence so it can solve problems like we do. Here we have ASML, Lam Research, and Onto Innovation. AI chips is another sector you can invest in. These are little pieces of hardware that can process large power. The next, take Microsoft that invested $10 billion in. We have names like MicroStrategy, Juniper Networks, and Micron Technology. And then there are the really big players in AI. For example, take Microsoft that invested $10 billion in OpenAI, which is the company that built ChatGPT. And then Google's developing a bunch of its own versions of AI to plug into various products that it offers. You should also be paying attention to a few of the under-the-radar stocks, like Adobe, which is one of the companies that's integrating AI's capability into its programs so that you can create images from just a text prompt.
Oh no, Adobe.
And then there's a small database and cloud
company called
MongoDB, which feeds data into
Dang, that's
AI.
it, little bro.
And a lot of fund managers like
you
this
didn't even
one.
give me a chance,
if you don't
bro.
want to get into the nitty-gritty of picking and choosing stocks, exchange-traded funds or ETFs are one way to go. They are a basket.
All right, that's enough. Let's talk about this the stock market crash and what does it mean? What could it mean for the US the AI? Go back to here. Hi, bro. All right, bye. All right, let's see. Okay, let's get into this topic a little more. Let's go in the headline of news. So, like I said, Nvidia made history. Nvidia made history where its stock plummeted and loses over almost $600 billion, which is the most in history. Made history. This is like the first time ever. But that's, if you want to do more research, that's on you. Let's look at Nvidia, man. They had a 17% day bad. Let's go into the financials, man. Let's get into the financials. Nvidia year over year has increased. Actually, I don't even, me, I got my new I like this website better. I got a website where I do the financials. So I can see the growth. And are we going to continue to see that growth, or that growth going to slow down in 2025? Okay, load. Load. Bruv. Serious, bruv. There we go. NVIDIA Corporation got stir fry today, but literally in 2024, NVIDIA has been great. Let's see quarterly. Let's look on the quarterly. Growth wise, we were seeing 200, 200, 220. Q, where am I seeing Q5 revenue? I guess, but let's look at the Q4 revenue. Definitely expected to make around $22 billion, $22 billion. Wait, $22 billion in revenue, which is good. Profit, look at the profit margin. Profit margin is great. Is great. Look at the net income. They're definitely grown. We like to see that growth, which is amazing. Which is amazing for NVIDIA. Let's look at the balance sheet. The cash. See where their long-term investments. Look at that, in billions, billions of dollars, billions and billions and billions of dollars, billions and billions of dollars. Like I see billions of dollars here, which is great. Cash growth. Look at that, 100%, just amazing. Like, don't let the news scare ya. Don't let the news scare ya. Like the stock market overreacted. It's probably selling off, and it probably. I'm your only viewer. Oh man, thanks, bro. What? FW, what's up, man? How you doing, brother? Thank you for viewing, man. Drop a like. So we see that the assets is really good. Low liabilities, like look at that ratio, really good. Total liabilities compared to the total assets, like this is a great ratio. Shareholders equity, which is good. It's growth. It's crazy. Cash net cash growth, and then I don't see. Do they have any? I don't think they have. Yeah, I don't think they have any their debt. Okay, they only got $10 billion worth of debt, which they get paid off because the net cash debt, pretty okay, I guess. And we are growing quarterly. Every quarter we are growing, which is amazing. Love that for NVIDIA. Shout out NVIDIA. NVIDIA doing his thing. NVIDIA doing his thing. And then, yeah. So what's the future for AI? I feel like we are definitely going to, definitely like NVIDIA is not going anywhere. Like it's a slide. It slipped. But I feel like overall it's still a good entry. I guess it's a discount. It's not a discount. I feel like it's not a discount because we know. Let's go right here. Even video, but it's still high. Like it's very undervalued. Definitely should see it at 200 something percent, $200 per share right now. We're trading a video at 118. Very undervalued. Even the news, like I think the stock market overreacted to it. Now I wanna get into another topic I had on my list. My second topic was why I was backtesting, right? I was doing my backtest and I had an epiphany. And my epiphany is that nobody is 100% correct in the stock market. Nobody is 100% correct in the stock market, especially if you're just looking at just the technical side of the market or the fundamental. Nobody's 100% in the market. So do not be afraid to take a loss. A loss is not. It's okay to take losses because losses are part of the stock market. And if you're afraid to take losses, you will get more losses, and you're gonna be very upset that whatever strategy you're using doesn't work out. Is because you don't know that controlling your emotions, losses are part of the game. Understanding that is gonna make you relax and understand and give the market a objective outlook instead of giving it an emotional outlook. So nobody's gonna be 100% right because I cannot predict the future 100% of the time. I learned this from 26 days in a row of back testing. Who do you know has traded backtested for any of your influencers have backtested for 26 days in a row? I don't think so. I don't think so. So that's one of my topics I want to talk about. Nobody, nobody can 100% predict the future. Like I wanted the Washington Commanders to go to the Super Bowl, but guess what? They got blown out yesterday, and that's okay because I can't predict the future. I cannot be upset because that's football. That's something out of my control. Like the stock market, you cannot control price. You might think you are controlling price when you put on a trade and it goes straight to your CP. The market might give you that feeling that you are in control, but you really truly not in control because no matter what you do, you can't just trying to manipulate the market and into your way. You gotta do what the market is telling you. You can have flow state with the market, but you're not controlling the market. Like today, let's say you are a technical trader and you see, oh, market has, prices broken the resistance and you buy, right? You're not 100%. You never know this news, how this news can affect the market. Look, technically on a technical analysis, let's take a trade right here, and you're into profit a little bit, but you cannot be upset when market comes back and takes you out. You took the good trade, but still took a loss, and that's completely okay because we cannot predict 100% of the future. We're just opportunists. We take every opportunity we see in the market, and we take the correct one. We take the structured. We are just fundamental guess. We just guessing correctly. We're trying to guess with a right strategy. It's like when we go and shoot a basketball. Steph Curry doesn't just throw it up like over his head. He has a proper form which he uses all the time. Oh, that look nice. Damn, my form look nice, man. I look like Steph Curry. I should practice that, but I be breaking like crazy. So he goes out there, he shoots the exact same every single time he gets on the gym. He doesn't try to, let me shoot from the side of my head. He don't, try to shoot like Lonzo Ball. No, he gonna shoot like Curry. And practice, repetition makes us better to recognize these opportunities, and we got to put ourselves in position to win. You know what I'm saying? Putting ourselves in position to win. So that's my second last topic is, do we put ourselves in position to win? Let me go and just chatting. Oh my God, this looks terrible. Holy moly. Holy moly. TikTok reaction. Bruh, I gotta fix this. This looks awful. This looks awful. Oh wow, this looks really bad. Oh my, this is struggle streaming. Struggle streaming. You see the struggle. Y'all see the struggle streaming. Get that right there. Video. Be smaller. Get in the middle. Boom. So what I was saying is, ooh, shout out to Xavier, track and field team. Don't look up my stats, man. They look pretty trash. I ain't gonna say it wasn't, man. But my last topic: do we put ourselves in a what we call? Do we put ourselves in a winning position? Yes. Do we put ourselves in a winning position? So, what is a winning position? What is a winning position? What is a winning position? You might ask yourself that. What could be possibly a winning position? So the little things we do, right? When I started streaming, I used to talk about the macro and the micro psychology of trading. And I think a winning position is combining both of those, right? Are you actually doing research on the stock before you even get into it or before even trading it? You know what I'm saying? Before even trading it. Because I have an example, right here. J&J, let's go into my Learnings Hub investments. Boom, boom. J&J. You saw me, if you go on to my old live, I think from, what was it? The 21st of this month on YouTube. I did research. I went and dig into deep. I digged in deeper. I put myself in a winning position. I saw they had earnings coming up. I started out. This is the step position. This is how I got myself in this position. First, it was the 21st. I was streaming, and I saw boom J&J. I like that. they are consistently making money, even though their revenue has slowed down. But I'm still seeing a growth trend, still seeing a growth trend, still seeing a growth trend. Price, and then I went into I did J&J. Boom, look into it, and I saw, okay, analysts are thinking price should be higher. Okay, cool. That's more, that's more confirmation. I did confirmation. Then I was okay, let me do even more confirmation. Let's go look into the what's it called? The financials. I see that they're having growth year over year. Even though they had a slowdown year, 2024 is looking like it's going to quarterly. Where's the revenue? Oh, this is their balance. Let's look at the income statement. Look, they are growing quarterly their revenue by 5%, which is good. Investors love that. You know what I'm saying? And I went into if they're making net income. Okay, we saw that we had a slowdown in net income, but I looked at the cash flow. I saw that they have a good cash flow. It's looking pretty good compared to their debt. Total assets, it's almost 200. Is that billion? Let's change to billion. Let's go to billion. Almost $200 billion in assets. Net liabilities only 100 billion. So it's a good ratio. I'm doing research, and then what I finally did, I marked up the chart. I saw where price was at. It was in a good position. And then one thing I did, I waited till the earnings dropped, and I saw that the price, earnings, the stock price dropped. Then I went into the research and I saw that how cheap it was, and I got into it. Boom, 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 just like that. Like, it's that research. And then let's say I took a loss here because I kind of rushed the things. I rushed the process, but overall, market still end up doing good. So you got to learn how to put yourself in position. We gotta put ourselves in position as traders, as investors. Like, we have to put ourselves in position to win. You know what I'm saying? Because trading is hard. Life is hard. A lot of things we cannot plan, but we can't control that. We don't know 100% of the future. But if we put ourselves in position to win, we are gonna end up winning most of the time. We are gonna end up winning most of the time. Most of the time, we're gonna end up winning. I don't like my overlay. It looks kind of ugly. Damn. All right, I think it looks good. Whatever. We have to put ourselves in position. Got to put ourselves in winning position. That's what I want to say. Like, put yourself in winning position. Maybe doing the right things. Maybe getting up on time. Maybe just looking at the market once a day, twice a day. Even backtesting. 20 minutes a day. Just doing something where you are when you just putting yourself in a position to win, because the market is meant. It's like sometimes it can feel like everything goes against you, but if you start to do the right things, when nobody's looking, when a discipline comes in, that's when discipline comes in, and you got to do yourself really. You gotta do yourself. You gotta put yourself in that position to win. You gotta put yourself in position to win. You gotta put yourself in position to win. You gotta put yourself in positions to win, man. All right. Earnings drop. Drop. Wait. Okay. And then one thing I want to do in my live stream is just teach, just give you a little, basic education. That's what I want to do. Just give you a little basic education before I get into the basic of things. So let's get started. Today's basic education. I'm gonna start from the I'm gonna start from the simplest as it goes. You know what I'm saying? Simple. Let's do Walgreens. Actually, I don't like the way this. I drew this up though. I'm just going on daily. Set up this. Get that. That right there. Boom. Stretch this out. All right. Still a brand 2%. Still like this. feel like this. Why? But not really too confident. It's right underneath support. All right. I'm gonna teach y'all the basics, man. Market structure. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, let me move this bad boy right down here. This is called market structure. So as a new trader, investor, whatever you call it, you want to be, you can be whatever you want to be. That's one thing I like about the stock market. You can do whatever you want to be. You want to be a scalper in a day trader, you want to be a swing, you want to be investor. The market allows you to have freedom. That's why I stay away from funded challenges because they try to take away that freedom. I don't want to be stuck to I don't want to be paid through like some whatever affiliate, not affiliate, but I don't want to be paid through me doing challenges. The only like I'm already challenging myself, making money on the stock market. Now I gotta go take a test, and then man, get out of here with that. Don't take no challenges. I swear, if you're a new trader, don't even try to take challenges, man. Stay away from it. Stay away from it 100%. I'm against that shit. I'm against that shit because you already like the stock market is already challenging. Now, it gives you this false hope. Oh, I'm trading freaking 50K, right? But really, you can only lose like, let's say you can only lose like 1,500. So you really are trading 1,500 with a buying power of 50K. But why do that to yourself? Why just put in 500 and trade that? Why just put in 500 and trade that? And then the market is already challenging enough. Like I don't need to 100% 15K, 1500. I don't need that. Not at all. I don't need that. The market is already challenging, so I don't even subscribe to. I tried it myself, and I feel like okay, you can make money. I don't knock it, but me personally, I'm not with the I'm not with the what's it called game. I'm not with the funded game, man. I'm more of build your capital, like save up some money, put some money in the market. You can buy some cheap. You can. It's funny. You can find cheap options that kind of name me 100x or 50x. I mean, like you make 100% of those. Or like I've done it before, so I feel like it's safer that way than relying on some funded challenge because they're taking your data, they're selling your data. You're not getting anything out of it because what's funny, you trade better with like when you do the evaluation. But once you get into it, you got all this pressure on you, but it's not really your money because they got rules that can deny your payouts. Me, if I make money, I don't care how I made it. I might have over leveraged, overbought. It's me who made the mistake. That's who I am. I want to be over leverager. That's what I love about having your own accounts. F all them funded brokers are trying to sell you that crap. F all them YouTubers. There might be some good YouTubers trying to sell you that. Okay, good, but do not do that to yourself. Like, let's say you accidentally, like the thing about trading is unpredictable. Let's say you accidentally like 50x, right? If you accidentally 50x on a funded challenge, you're not you're not you're not getting none of that. It's still under a challenge. And then like with the new challenges, or you can't make more than 500 a day. You got to make 500 a day 3 times before you even like withdraw your money, and you can't withdraw 100% of it. Bro, if I accidentally with like 50x my money, I'm taking all of that. That's my money. That's my money. That's all of it. You don't know that freedom of doing all that for real. So that's my little cue, whatever, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be teaching market structure because that's my free education of the day, and it's basic as hell. Market structure. So as you know, like we know what market structure is. Market tends to move in a staircase formation. You know what I'm saying? We get so emotional. We need sometimes I like to teach the basics because the basics help us get better. And this is like I feel like the basics are fundamentals. We should have this as like our core as traders. This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the fundamentals of the market. Yeah, I'm excited. You know what I'm saying? None of y'all gurus are teaching you basic information, man. They're trying to teach you this ICT BS. I'm not. Yeah, yeah, no. That was don't sue me. Whatever. You ICT gurus. You know, y'all be sue happy, man. Don't sue me. I'm just. This is entertainment purposes, allegedly. You know, it's entertainment purposes, and yeah, let's get it. So, I, s- I said I don't even listen to that, man. I remember one person, someone tried to teach me. Someone sent me some ICT webinar, bro. That shit was 3 hours, bro. 3 hours. Guy was just yapping for, bro. I watched 20 minutes of it. I shut it down, man. I was like, bro, ain't no way. Market should not be that complicated, bro. Market should be just as easy as price goes up, price goes down. There's no way I can talk about it for 3 freaking hours. Like the problem with a lot of traders, we want to be 100% right, so we go into this crazy detail. No, we need to know our fundamentals. So the first fundamental is we know what market structure is. So what is market structure? The market moves in a staircase formation with every single time frame. Staircase. You see the staircase, even right here. This is a staircase. Staircase. You know, it's not an elevator. You know, it might seem on that small ass time frame it's an elevator, but it's always gonna be pullbacks. You know what I'm saying? Always gonna be pullbacks. Always gonna be pullbacks, and we never know. So on all the time frames, market moves in a staircase formation. Even on its weekly, we see that market's going staircase. You know, look at this market structure. Boom, boom. Not going completely up. You saw that. So with us understanding that market moves in a what's it called, staircase formation, more of a that's called market structure, how the market is structured. And some markets, you know, have different structures. This one's ugly, ain't gonna lie. This stock market, oof, J&J been going through it. Look at that. And then sometimes we have market structure. Let me actually draw that pretty well, better. Boom, 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 boom. Then we can consolidate. Market consolidating. We want market to be breaking higher highs, lower lows, trending up or down. This is how we make our money. We make our money when market's trending up, market trending down. We don't make money in between. But we can also try to figure out when market is reversing or continuing on those stair patterns. The market moves in the staircase formation. That's super basic. Super basic. You can look this up on Google. Just look up market 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 structure, and boom, this is market structure. Simple market structure, higher high, lower high, right here. Price action, some people call it price action, market structure. Look at that. Price is creating higher highs, lower lows, higher highs, lower highs, or higher lows, higher highs. And this is telling, you know, simple. This is like basic. You should know the basic market structure. Price is creating higher highs, lower low. And this is a bullish market structure right here. Price is creating higher highs. Some people call it swing low, swing high, swing low, whatever. I call it higher highs, lower lows. Right here. Bullish market structure. Knowing where market structure. So what could we do with this market structure? So let's draw a little. So with market structure, we can capture what trend we are currently in. So zoom in on the lower time frame. We know where we know that we are in an uptrend. So that's where we find our trends. Let's go on a 4 hour actually. 1 hour is a little too much. We know we are on a trend. So to make it easier to if you want to increase your win probability, you want to trade with the trend. You want to trade with the trend. So to make it easier for yourself, you want to trade with a trend, trade with market structure. So we're seeing that market is creating higher highs, lower highs, higher highs, lower highs. We know we're in an uptrend. When market is creating a lower low, lower high. Ooh, excuse me. Even though this one is very aggressive, lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. It's just we're in a downtrend. So knowing how, knowing what trend we're in is very important. It can increase our win rate. Also, market can be consolidating, right? Let's see on the smaller time frame right here. Like market is consolidating. And that's where we draw our support and resistances. I love drawing my support and resistances. I love drawing my support and resistance. Why? Because price indicates it wants to continue up above the support and resistance within this channel. Look, within this channel, we know that price. See, it's easy. What's funny about teaching too? Let me tell you a little secret. It's easy to sound smart. Listen to me. It's easy to sound smart when it's already happened. Hindsight is 2020. But when you are trading, that's the real skill. Like, do any of these gurus go back and backtest whatever they teach? I'm teaching the basic. Like, you don't need to know crazy freaking indicators. They might be helpful, but my thing I've learned for me, myself, and I, that it's easier to keep the market simple, stupid. Just keep it as simple as possible, because like emotions, like you don't know the emotions when you got money on the mind. But when you keep your market, when you keep your charts simple, when you keep your mind clear, it's less emotional. It's less things going on. You get less second guessing. We don't want second guessing when we are trading. That's why I keep my charts simple. I like a few lines. I like to, let's say, pop this bad boy. I like to draw my support and resistance with this black square. Do this. So within market structure, I know we're in an uptrend. Now we're looking for buys. And then it's kind of like tempting, I ain't gonna lie, like to sell in an uptrend. It's tempting, you know what I'm saying? But don't be surprised if you get cooked. You know what I'm saying? Overall, don't be surprised if you get stir fried. Don't be surprised. So that's my little educational run right there, like keeping it, short. Next time I trade live stream, I gonna tell you a little more, more educational, and I love education, because this helps me help you. That's how I look at education. It's a help me help you. It's helping me and it's helping you too, because you get to learn something and I get to refresh on the things I don't use or on things I don't think about it on a daily basis, and it helps me. All right. But let's go back on earnings hub, man. So, what is our stock pick of Tuesday? Taco Tuesday. Okay. So last stream I picked bro. Did I pick SoFi? I did not pick SoFi. Let's go to actually have a line. A little easier. Man, educational is tiring, you know what I'm saying? Out here speaking to y'all. I love education. So GM, General Motors is posting. Last year they did 55% returns. Royale. So this is Royal Caribbean for 2021. They literally made $40 million. They were getting cooked. Man, I love it. And then the Q4 earnings. How many cruise people were going on? Let me see. Q4. Where's Q4 2023? So definitely looks like they have a slower Q4. So we might see the stock price plummet a little bit. You know, I feel like we had all-time highs. And I ain't no, you know what I'm saying? I ain't no genius. Royal Caribbean Cruise, JetBlue. Tend to stay away from airline companies because I work for an airline. So tend to stay away from those. Trying not to trade those. Okay, what is SYY? Who are these people? 80% buy. SYY. Let's look at SYY. SYY. Cisco. Okay. What price is that right now? $78. Current price is $78. I feel like people are saying it's a great buy. Okay. SYY, this might be our stock pick of the day, Cisco. So let's kind of let's go back up here. Let's do SYY. Actually, SYY Cisco. Let's do a little summary, you know, read up on it. What is Cisco? Okay, let's go back. Cisco is an American multinational corporation involved in marketing and distributing food products, smallware, kitchen equipment, tabletop items to restaurants, healthcare, and educational facilities, hospitality business like hotels and inns, and wholesale to other companies to provide food services. Headquarters in Houston. Shout out Cisco. We just learned about a new company. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Last year, they literally did 1%. Literally, like, this is crazy. But earnings, I was seeing growth in earnings. It's pretty consistent. Let's look at their financials. Let's go look at the income statement. So on a quarterly basis, we've seen growth. We've seen growth go up in revenue, which is lovely to see. Investors love growth on a quarterly basis. And then we go into our cost of profit, gross profit, which is not the greatest, but really around $3 billion. We've seen an increase, which is good. Let's go on annually though. So 3% growth, not the greatest growth, but growth is growth. Net income looking pretty good. We're seeing a 10% growth rate in our net income year over year, which is really good. Not great, not terrible, really good. Nah. Let's look at the stock. Let's look at the stock price. That's why. Boom. Man, definitely had a boom. This be generous. Be like right here, but I like that price at this level. It's rejected a lot. Like me playing basketball. Get blocked. Boom. Monday. Distance. That over here. Then boom. There's 1 day support. Boom. Okay. Had a great day today. Let's go. And the earnings are dropping tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning. I like where price is at. Blue flag right here. Hopefully we can continue seeing that growth, but earnings are dropping tomorrow morning. What can I say though? I like this. Look at the overall. Man, very consolidated market though. So very consolidating. COVID definitely hit. We have struggled to even hit our 2021 highs. We only been there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. We've not broken it comfortably. Every time we get above the resistance, we definitely get sell-offs. But food services, call this the bull flag. Bull flag. Boom. Check out the what's it called let's see how expensive the options are. See how expensive the options are, because that's going to determine if it's worth trading or not. Okay, so price at a price a little bit above. Oh, it's one of them too. Is you buying it for the long haul? The price is 77. Is that a dollar? 77 what? 775 is $1.80. $80 is at 80 dollars, and right here prices. So I'm gonna wait. We're gonna wait until price comes down. We're gonna wait until price comes down. By the earnings, we're definitely gonna see some pullback. Maybe we enter. That's how I see it. That's how I see it. Nothing too spectacular. Nothing too spectacular. Nothing too excited. Nothing to be excited for. And then $20 billion. Hopefully to beat earnings, but hopefully we see a pullback because we're seeing this bull flag breakout. Beautiful breakout, but we're probably gonna see a pullback on that side. Okay, now moving on to, let's find another stock because that was kind of, I don't know, Cisco, kind of meh. Starbucks, shout out Starbucks, man. Earnings definitely slacking, man. Dang, let's see. Maybe it's gonna be our first Starbucks. See, I'm looking for some consistently growing, because it's easier to. Dang, I didn't even beat expectations in Q3. How did it do Q4? Definitely be having tough Q4s. Okay, let's go to Starbucks. Everybody knows Starbucks. Everybody loves Starbucks. This is before open too, so Cisco. Shout out Cisco. Hopefully they have a good earnings tomorrow. Then we have Starbucks ski. Get price. Went up 6% past year. 8% year to date. It's pretty good. So it'd be UX, Starbucks ski. Price is at $100. So it's definitely mixed. Definitely have mixed results. Mixed results is like, it's okay, not great either. BUX Starbucks. me, Starbucks ski. So let's go into their income statement. Let's go on a quarterly level. So I see revenue growth been cooked Q2 and Q3. That's not a good look at all. Let's see if they're netting profit. Oh yeah, net growth, net income growth is really bad. Losing money on that side, not good at all. Let's look at their balance sheet. Let's change this. Let's change this. There's some millions of dollars. Our cash flow, our short-term investments. Let's look at our total assets. We really have $31 billion in total assets. I like that we are growing our net assets, but also our liabilities. We are definitely ratio is not too bad, but look at that. We have more assets. We have more liabilities than assets. Not a good sign for stock. Don't like that at all. Cash debt definitely not paying off. Definitely increasing that. Not looking so good. Long term. I don't know. Let's. We all know at Starbucks, you go and buy your coffee, your overpriced ass coffee. XBUX. Boom. All right. Man, these earnings might cook Starbucks though. Might cook Starbucks. Let's go on the 4 hour. 4 hour. They hired a new CEO. That's why we saw this gap right here. After shitty ass earnings, like crazy. They've not been able to beat expectations. So me, I might be looking for a put. You know what I'm saying? I'm not looking for a put, but price is above resistance too. So that's something to look out for. That's something to look out for. Let's do a option research. I do this on my phone because I'm on where is the SBUX Starbucks trade. What's going on? What's going on? Oh man. Earnings are going crazy. They actually had a good day today. Let's do trade. Let's see how much long puts are. Oh man, the puts are still crazy. Those puts are still crazy, but I don't know. Hopefully, we're gonna have to wait until the market close, see what happens. But above $100, Starbucks had a great last week. So hopefully we see the market go crazy, or we might see some pullback. Like I don't know. There's nothing exciting about Starbucks. They're just coffee, overpriced coffee. I start drinking Starbucks. I start just drinking a free coffee at work because I'm not spending $5 every day on a small latte. All right, really, I have nothing too excited about. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not too excited about anything right now. About LTM had a 1% day year to date. Then they had a 17% growth 2024. All right, let's see. Earnings. Q4 earnings are the worst earnings. I don't even. Let me just do a little LTM, man. LTM. LTM. L. It's LMT. Sorry, LMT. Let's do a little LMT. LMT. Look at this. Got stir fried. Let's go on a daily, longer time frame. Man, prices above. And a lot of prices above this long-term resistance area, which is gonna be a good thing or a bad thing. We can't 100% predict the future. I like this, bull flag breakout. Bull flag right here. Full flag is great for a uptrending stock. Pretty sure they're uptrending. Yeah, seeing growth in that. Growth in it. Full flag right here. Just put the resistance up for y'all. Don't know. Hey man, thanks for the Yoshi. Thanks for the view, man. He a hater. Okay, then we got the resistance. We got the resistance right here. Then let's mark this, label the support level. Boom. All right, cool. All right, earnings dropping tomorrow. And if we beat expectations, I feel like our targets could be upside for sure. Sure. Let me look at one more thing. Let me look at who are they? Who's LMT, man? Who's LMT? Lockheed Martin? This is LMT? Am I tripping? It is Lockheed Martin Corporations. I think they're a bank. Might be a bank. Lockheed Martin is a corporation, is an American defense and oh, okay, it's another one of those. Lockheed Martin Corporations headquarters. What is this? Bethesda. I don't know where Bethesda is. So with a worldwide interest, it was formed by the merger of Lockheed Martin with Lockheed Marietta. What is Lockheed? What the hell are they do? What do they make? What do they make, man? Lockheed Martin, major American diversified company with core business constructions and aerospace products, including aircraft, space launchers, satellites, all that crap. Okay, cool. Let's look at, I don't know, I just found Lockheed Martin Corporations. Quarterly level. One thing I don't like, the slowdown in revenue, man. But let's look at the total assets, total liabilities. We have more assets and liabilities, which is good. Let's look at the financials. Oh yeah, we're seeing growth in the Q4, Q1, Q3. Last quarter they definitely slowed down, which is not good. That's why we always wait until we actually see it. This is before, so this is definitely is our pick. One thing before we have it, our pick, we have it. Thanks for the likes, man. Thanks for the like, Yoshi. Appreciate you, man. Our pick for, before we confirm our pick for tomorrow, let's look at how their options are looking, how expensive they are. Is it reasonable? Are they reasonable? Oh my, I lied. Definitely having high expectations. You can see. Let me turn this off for a second. Options are expensive. Calls are expensive. Ooh, that looks good. Damn, 100%. I want to see $10 in my damn account. $10 options. Lockheed Martin's a. Ooh, wait. SAP. Oh yeah. Let's see how SAP options are looking, man. So I like SAP, man, but for reasonable call options, you gotta Buy them out the money. $5.50 for like $1. $5.50 for $1. So definitely wants to go crazy. I wish I was crazy, man. Like low key 125. That's not even bad at all, to be honest. To do like a 1%, 2%, it might go crazy. But I saw SAP. Yes, 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 SAP. Oh my goodness. Look at this market structure. Just look at it. Beautiful market structure. Bam, SAP. I don't know what it is, man. SAP. Um, what is SAP? Let's give the people what SAP is, man. SAP SE is a European multinational software company based in. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. They're in Germany. The company is the world's largest vendor of enterprise resources planning software. Let's do a little more SAP. Don't want that. Okay. Let's look at their financials, man. Let's get into SAP, man. SAP SE. So overall financials, going to the financials, the income, we see definitely growth. $33 billion in revenue, which is good. We're seeing that revenue, and we can go into quarterly, seeing quarterly growth, which is great. Which is great. Grateful investors. Me as an investor, I love to see growth. I like to put my money where I see growth in. Net income, definitely seen slowdown. Net income in 2024, 50% decrease, which is not good. Not good. But look where SAP at. Oh my gosh. What did I not invest in SAP? Oh, I'm so sad. Why? But look at that market. Look at that stock price, man. Just like, oh, why did I not invest in SAP? Oh my gosh, bro. I don't know where to start. Look, where do you want to start at? SAP cooking with hot grease. Hot grease. Oh my goodness, just crazy. Why am I not invested in SAP? Somewhere I got invested in what did I buy? Bought something. Support. Just ridiculous. Hopefully they have a negative. Just kidding. Just kidding. I'm not a hater. I always want every stock to do great, especially when they have their earnings drop. So let it, man, look at this. Just straight off the boom. I wanna, which one should I add today? Lockheed. I'm gonna get in Lockheed. Let's see how Lockheed does, man. We're picking Lockheed because I like market structure wise. I like that we're on a, actually let's go on an hourly. Bro, look at this. We broke this 2 month, almost 3 month downtrend. So this could be big. This earnings could be big tomorrow morning. So I want to see what happens to it. JP Morgan, look, you want to get rid of you. Walgreens, definitely want to see more from Walgreens. We definitely got a lot more from Walgreens. Oh yeah, let me talk about, like, y'all think I miss, what's funny, as an investor, you're gonna miss more than when you gain, but you gotta be grateful for the opportunity for sure. Let's go on our red list. Bro, like literally 2 weeks ago, I bought some options in Walmart, man. Look at Walmart at, man. I missed this $10 play. You know what's funny? We miss more than what we gain for Shiggity. Miss more when you gain. Miss more when we gain. It's okay though. Miss more when we gain. There's so many opportunities in the stock market. like every day. Wingstop, um, Mo. That'll do good because I'm invested. Starbucks. Starbucks is above resistance, but man, earnings are being getting cooked. I want to see though. I'm very curious. Kava, AMD got cooked today. Carvana, oh man. Like, what's funny, we miss more opportunities than we gain or we make. We miss more opportunities than we take. But for that reason, that's all my, that's my learnings hub pick of the day. I'm gonna pick freaking, I'm picking this bad boy, Lockheed Martin. Trump is definitely endorsing defense contractors and is their aircraft, whatever, manufacturers, aero. Let me go back. T Lockheed Martin. They are an American defense and aerospace manufacturer. So aerospace manufacturer. So they'll be making them jets. So definitely gonna see. Boom, hopefully they do good in their earnings report. And revenue. Hopefully revenue goes up and earnings go up. But that's it, man. This is a very informational stream, man. I love people who come through and drop a like and interact, man. I appreciate, what I'm saying? I appreciate all the love for sure. But I got a back test. I gotta do my back testing, man. Gotta do my back testing, man. Who you know is back testing like me? Who you know you back testing like me? I know y'all gurus be back testing live. I could be getting cooked live, man. I be getting stir fried. Yo, chill. Chill. Y'all think the hourly is like, I think the hourly is too short, man. Bruh. On a daily, man. Damn. More than 2024? Bruh. I gotta find a new thing to backtest, mate. 2025 is right here. Oh my goodness. Bruh. Oh my, I gotta find something new to backtest. That's crazy, because I'm already in 2024. Bruh, that's it. I guess that's it. Backtested almost 3 years. Look at that. Mean. What should I backtest? Bitcoin? Should I backtest Bitcoin? I'm gonna backtest Bitcoin, man. Yeah, I'm gonna backtest Bitcoin. But I want to see my overall how I did with Bitcoin. So we going to 2021. Boom. Boom. 2021. So I'm out here backtesting Bitcoin. So new instrument, new me. So with Bitcoin, I want to backtest it, and this is moving. This is gonna be different from where I usually backtest. This is gonna be a 24/7 freaking instrument. So this instrument does not close. Other than I know I've been I know I've really tested like QQQ. Ooh, Spy. I can do Spy, but Spy kind of move like QQQ. So, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do some Bitcoin. I'm going to do something different. You know what I'm saying? I want to challenge myself in different aspects of the market, because backtesting is not about just, doing it for the fun Z. We doing it for real Z's. Tai Shi. Tai Shi. All right. Let me get some water, and we're going to start this backtesting game. Let me take a little quick minute break, and let's listen to some beats though. Play some beats. All right. Let's get it out the way. Um, Let me say something right quick. So in 2025, I gave myself a challenge. Crazy challenge is to backtest every single day of 2025. Oof. Yes. It's a backtest every single day of 2025. But and then I'm also backtesting on my stream when I go live. Love being live. I love y'all. I love the interaction. I love the the not no reaction. You know what I'm saying? I love the people who don't want to, who watch and not say anything. I love the views. Appreciate that for even watching me, even learning something new. Cause let me tell you, when you watch me, there's always gonna be some knowledge on the table. You know what I'm saying? And knowledge is not free. Nothing's free in this world. Even free knowledge, you gotta pay attention. All right, let's get it. Enough clowning around. You know what I'm saying? Why does this thing go back to 5 minutes? About to start my back test. Back testing Bitcoin. So starting it off, let me remind myself that I'm not 100% right. I can't be 100% right, but I gotta put myself in opportunities, positions to be right. So I don't want to take no random trades. And I want to be able to explain all my trades. So off the bat, I'm looking at Bitcoin, right? It moves 24/7, right? But I've noticed that it moves more. We see more volume during the stock market. We see more volume during the stock market. So we're seeing market is creating lower lows. I'm gonna put this resistance here, You know, telling you, none of your gurus are backtesting live for sure. So it's a scary thing, man. I've had some terrible backtesting sessions. I'm getting wigged out. I get emotionally upset, but that's a part of the game, You live, you grow up, you live and grow, So 30, we're on a 4-hour market, 4-hour time frame. Sorry. Um, why am I sorry? This is my stream. Ain't nothing to be sorry about. So we see, market is coming underneath. Dang, can you off? Well, not pissing me off. It's making me upset. All right. This is gonna be like the 4-hour support right here. We really have so on a daily level, on an hourly. Let's see. Make it more interesting. Prices underneath support. We could definitely see it drop some more. And really never back tested Bitcoin. But what date is? It is Wednesday. Wednesday. And this is a little tough, ain't gonna lie, cause like going from only like Wall Street open to every day, it's a challenge. It's a challenge. So price at $32, 32K. Let's see. So I buy. Okay. Oh wow. Oh wow. Sell. Bottom. Okay. Trying to see how much I can. I'm gonna bring it up a notch. I'm gonna bring it up to 2 buys at a time. Okay. Unless it's tough. It's tough seeing only prices underneath support, market structure. Let's see. Okay. Use downward. Nope. Price wants to push up. I'm just observing right now. I'm just observing. Want to feel for the market. Bruh. 10 p.m. Bruh. I don't know, man. I'm not gonna be trading. Look, price action at 10 p.m. Bro, I'm snoozing. Market is closed. Oh my gosh. It's harder than I thought it would be. Okay, so in the morning, 5 p.m. Serious? Okay. Prices back above resistance. I mean, back above support. Goes below support. And let's see. If price continues down, but my knowledge. Oh, I should have moved my stop loss into profit. Even a little profit still makes sense. So this is Friday. I like this. Okay, if we see some okay, we're seeing some slowdown. We'll buy here. Buy. Simple market structure. Create a high. Broke this. Dang, so many candles. I might trade this on a 2-hour time frame. Bruh. It is Friday, 8 p.m. I'm trading Friday, 8 p.m. Friday, 8 p.m. Trading Friday, 8 p.m. Crazy work. Okay, I'm gonna re-enter. You know, wrong with re-entering. Traders. People would trade Bitcoin. Like, are y'all insane? Maybe I should like wait until like probably Monday open before. Cause I see no volume. Really, Saturday. I'm getting out. It's Saturday. Like, bruh, I'm just greedy. Let's see what happens though. Definitely gonna get tapped out. Yeah. The prices underneath support again. Sunday morning. Bro, I'm gonna get cooked. Okay. You know, we trade what we see. Sunday morning. You know what I'm saying? Going to church. Nope. Definitely consolidating. So I'm seeing a pattern that price consolidates over the weekend, right? Really not a lot of volume. Now we're moving into Monday, 2 a.m. Got different market sections. You know me. I'm optimistic. Getting cooked. Okay. Let's price like want to break above. There we go. Okay, cool. Let's see. Man, Bitcoin not treating me right. Challenging. It's okay though. I ain't even tripping. Holding my emotions down. We should have done that in the first trade. Do I like this? That I'm holding a trade overnight, Wednesday morning. 4K up. If it's secure more. Oh man. I don't know, man. Should I really backtest Bitcoin, man? I might put myself through a ringer, man. Am I crazy? I think I may be crazy. Bitcoin. I'm just gonna backtest Bitcoin today. I might do, I think Dow Jones. I'm gonna do the DAI Dow, because I don't know. I think Bitcoin's gonna teach me some. Bitcoin's definitely gonna teach me some discipline for sure. Because over the weekend, market is 24/7, and not having to yeah, I'm gonna do DAIA, but let's see, man. Okay, markets. Today's what? This is actually hilarious. Market structure looks pretty clean. Definitely did not break. I would love to see price break above this 1 day resistance, but we have not. So I was gonna daily make sure everything's all cool. Bro, a daily is actually 24 freaking candles, like on an hourly. That's actually insane. A daily candlestick is 24 hours, bro. 24 hours. No bricks. Okay, looks like we're coming back up. There's so many candlesticks, man. If you trade Bitcoin, put a one in the chat because you're actually insane. Bitcoin. 6 p.m. Like, bruh, 6 p.m. is crazy. I'm buying a coin, some little Bitcoin at 1 a.m. Got instant fried. Buy again. Actually, oh, really just basic market structure. Creating price wasn't breaking lows, but creating higher highs. I just got stomped out twice, but everything applicable. I'll re-enter because I love Bitcoin. But yeah, we have targets above this level. Price continue. See this old highs. See, let's do this. Like this view better. Stomped out. I'm hard headed with Bitcoin. What time is it? Bitcoin going crazy at 3 a.m. in the morning. Seeing some bullish action at 3 a.m. in the morning, like BFFR. You trade Bitcoin, put our hands in the air. Carrying 500, around $700. Ooh, Bitcoin. Ooh, like that. Close. I'm in profit. Cool. Damn, bro. Feels like I'm going through so many I can backtest Bitcoin for a whole year. Goddamn, I found an instrument where I'll not catch up quickly because a daily candle contains one daily candlestick contains 24-hour candlesticks. I'm at 3 a.m. Bitcoin Imagine getting ping, bing, bing, bing. Bitcoin crosses your resistance. Time to buy. Crazy work. Bitcoin, you crazy. But we know we're gonna trade on. We in a uptrend anyway, so okay. Do we not? Okay. No, we not no more. We are still in. Let's look at the one daily. So we got some definitely what time is it? 1 a.m. man. Last time I entered at 1 a.m. I scored. I made some money on. Where's this much? We're gonna get back up there. Ooh, Bitcoin. But market structure. Maybe. Let's see. What am I selling here? Why am I selling? What would you sell? We gonna create lower low Bitcoin? Oh, we are. We gonna continue it? Okay. Coin. Now we're going into the AM. You know what I'm saying? You saw market structure at 1 a.m. Well, it wasn't weak. It was weak. So we sold. Oh no. Don't get stomped out. Should I secure? Nah. Should I have secured? It is what it is. So Bitcoin, is it showing higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, but lower low, lower high, lower low. And we see we're selling again. Basic market structure. Let's see if Bitcoin follows. A secure 250. We didn't secure. We did secure. Bro, what time is it? 11 p.m. Bitcoin is in its own world, bro. Above, we're right back above resistance. I like. Don't like that. Don't like that. Oh, I like. I don't like that. Oh shit. But resistance. Look at this candlestick, bro. Look at this crazy candlestick. You know, I'm making money. Where did I buy that? Because I sold candle. Did not break lower low, so I got into it. I gotta be more serious. Oh, got 2 minutes left. Ain't gonna lie. Bitcoin is crazy as hell. Look at this. Oh yeah. We broke above the 30. So if you asleep at 5 a.m., you miss your trade, you're gonna wake up. Let's say you wake up at 8. You're like, no, I missed my entry. Bitcoin's not for the weak, man. Wake your ass up. You miss. See, it's okay to go to sleep on a Sunday. And Monday morning at 5 a.m., Bitcoin goes crazy. Bitcoin wants to go crazy. Let's see, me, a man of chances. You want to go crazy, Bitcoin? Oh, you do. Ooh, showing low resistance. God damn. ridiculous. Just ridiculous. I secured the bag. Are we gonna see a pullback? We might see a pullback here, boys. Oh yeah, no. Last trade. All right, times is up. Back tested Bitcoin. Wasn't the prettiest, but look at that run rate, man. Does the run rate matter when you're making money on? Does the run rate matter when you're making money on? This is day 27 of me back testing. Not live, I ain't gonna lie. But Bitcoin, we saw we can make some money on. But Bitcoin out for the week, 6 a.m. If you're not up at 5 a.m., price better have a crazy bullish. You're gonna be upset. You're gonna wake up mod. Wake up upsetty spaghetti. Look at this. Let me screenshot this too. Boom. Damn, I was done. No. Okay, let me do a little market my stream. So my stock pick of the day. Let's go to earnings hub. Earnings hub. I like how this son of a bitch looking. Get out of here. Yes. Boom. Stock. Today's stock pick of the day or learnings hub. Learnings hub pick of the day is LMT, Lockheed Martin, Aerospace, Crafts, whatever. They make planes, defenses for the US. They have their earnings dropping tomorrow at I don't know, does it say the time? At 7:30 a.m. Hour before market opens. So we still see the market go crazy. And then they drop in their earnings. Psycho definitely did not like price movement. That's why Psycho corporations definitely want to see a little more pullback because it broke this 2 month, almost 2 month, definitely almost 2 months downtrend. And I definitely have some pullbacks, but I like where price is at right now. It's at this long-term resistance, daily resistance, and it just broke above. Hopefully, we'll see some price movement above that. And then, did I do tip ranks to LTM? TM, LMT, boom. Analysts are thinking price should be at $500 to $600 FU, and price is currently at $500. That's the low. The high is $600. It's pretty good. Let's do a little. Yeah, 600 average, 640, 500 at the lowest. So I feel like price is definitely gonna go crazy. Be on the lookout for LTM tomorrow. And also look out for it for the week. Also, I want you to look out for Broski. Their insurance, because they sell products, insurance products. Definitely their stock should go crazy tomorrow. Hopefully go crazy. Can't read into the future, but we can try to predict it. So one things I talked about today is the video got cooked too. Hopefully the video rebounds tomorrow, and the video has a historic rebound day. As the optimistic investor in me, I always want to see stocks to do great. I'm not a hater, but look at this crazy news. Market might have overreacted a little bit, but hopefully we see a great pullback. We see some green candlesticks there on a daily time frame, which is okay, which is good. We see there's hope, and then Tesla also getting cooked. Um, yeah, boom. Okay, let's go back to. Okay, so Nvidia got cooked today. Nobody should be 100% in the stock market. So if anybody's trying to sell you a 100%, 100% trade or whatever strategy, that's crap. There's emotion involved. There's news, events. We can't 100% predict the market. And then just remember to put yourself in position every day to win in the stock market. Thank you so much. I appreciate all the people who joined, who dropped a like. Love y'all guys.